How to change your story privacy on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can change our stories privacy on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to change your story privacy on Facebook, if you open up Facebook and let's say you want to upload a certain story, but let's say you only want to show it to a few specific amount of people, before you share your story you'll find a little gear or the settings icon here. So you have to tap on that icon and select privacy. Now over here you can select custom or public or whoever you want to show it from. If you want to select custom, you can select custom over there, and once you've done that you can just go ahead and save it. Then you can just come back and tap on the share option to basically go ahead and then share to your story. And once you refresh it, you can only share your story to some of the people there. This way you'll be able to go ahead and customize or change the story privacy on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.